Hey everyone! Welcome back to IT Next channel. If you're like many users who upgraded to Windows 11 but missed the classic Windows 10 taskbar, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to bring back the Windows 10 taskbar on Windows 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Back up your system. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to back up your system. This way, you can restore your PC if anything goes wrong. Here is how. Right-click on this PC and follow me in the video. Step 2. Download Taskbar software. To bring back the Windows 10 taskbar, we'll be using a third-party application called Explorer Patcher. This tool is safe and widely used. Open your web browser and go to the Explorer Patcher GitHub page. The link will be in the description below. Click on this link. Move down and click to download the latest version of the app. Step 3. Install Explorer Patcher. Once the download is complete, let's install Explorer Patcher. Locate the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to run the installer. Done. Here you can see the taskbar has changed. Step 4. Configure Explorer Patcher. Now that we have Explorer Patcher installed, it's time to configure it to bring back the Windows 10 taskbar. Click on Start. Here click on the Properties. This will open the Explorer Patcher configuration menu. Here, you'll find various settings. Go to the Taskbar section and change the style to Windows 10. You can also customize other options to your liking. Now click on Restart File Explorer. Done. Here you can see the taskbar has back to Windows 10. If you encounter any issues, you can always revert back by uninstalling Explorer Patcher or resetting its settings from the configuration menu. And there you have it. You've successfully brought back the Windows 10 taskbar on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.